Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix activation error in iMessage. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing activation error in your iMessage, so let's see how can you fix this. So you just have to simply open your settings app. Very first I recommend you have to check for pending software updates to prevent any kind of issue. So go for general, go for software update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your software. If you find this, to update your app, update your software. After updating software, just go back and go to apps section. Under apps section, you just have to look for a messages app here. Just select messages, just scroll down and you'll get a toggle in front of iMessage. You just have to enable this toggle and then wait for this until it's see here waiting for activation. So it might take almost 5 to 10 seconds, and after that your iMessage will be activated. So you just have to tap on send and receive, and here you can add your phone number or your mail address with which you want to send or receive messages using iMessage. And once you have done, your iMessage is now activated and you can easily use your iMessage without an activation error. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.